say we are that small company that thought this doesn't apply to us, this doesn't work for us, we don't apply. So my response would be, look at our data. We're running more product in the same shifts, limiting overtime. We haven't had to add people, more cases in the same amount of time.
I mean, when you put Redzone in, it's almost an immediate bump, in productivity. It's something that we expected, and we were told that we were going to see that, and we did. We probably actually saw more of a bump.
Prior to Redzone, I would say the way that we scheduled production was just madness. Always running Saturdays, and now if we run Saturdays, it's because we had such a massive order that we have to run Saturdays.
One of the biggest things that we found with Redzone is that it gives that person who is on the shift an avenue to submit ideas for improvement, which makes every employee feel like they have a road forward for their voice to be heard. We had actions and ideas suddenly appearing from corners of our organization that we might not have necessarily expected to initially.
We know that, just through behavioral psychology, that when you are working in your native language, you understand it better. Translation module became available and we put it in immediately, and we started seeing comments and people saying, thank you, thank you, thank you.
And that really fit with the culture that we were trying to build, and that is really allowing the people to be in the right place with the right data and enable them to find those improvement opportunities and make the right decisions.
Across the entire company, we've changed all the who, what, whys, and wheres of manufacturing because of this combinatorial aspect of what Redzone unlocks. Communication is mobile, communication is instantaneous, communication is with everyone.
Well, I participated in a couple of audits recently, and asking for records that we're immediately able to show her. And my experience with SQF and auditors is they love it.
When we got Redzone and got exposure to the compliance side, when I was the only person, I was like, this is gonna save my life.
They're very excited about it. They don't want to do any more paperwork. Apparently it's easier just to go and select some data and just enter a few numbers in.
It was a single individual having to do their rounds around the whole facility every so often each day, at least 2-3 times during their shift. Now they can review electronically right there at their desk. If there's any issues, they're notified right away.
Huge difference culturally with just people take pride in their work. They want to see green bars and they want to fix the red bars. So everybody really comes together and makes it happen because of it.
We saw a 21% uplift in our first 90 days.
12.5% OEE lift.
Redzone's really just been amazing for a second. We've seen, I think, about a 20% increase since we've started.
I think we quantified 48% over the first 90 days.
The numbers have showed 47% uplift in our productivity in the first 90 days. And
it's helped make this a better place to work in the plant, and in the office, and everywhere around. And that all started with Redzone.